Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 5 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes. Wash them well and remove any stems. Next, prepare your workstation by setting up a large pot of boiling water and a separate bowl filled with ice water. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's get those tomatoes ready. Carefully place a few tomatoes into the boiling water for 30 to 60 seconds, just until their skins begin to split. Quickly move them to the ice bath to stop the cooking. Once cool, the skins will slip right off. Core each tomato, then cut them in half and gently squeeze to remove most of the seeds and extra liquid. With your tomatoes prepared, it's time to cook. Chop the peeled and seeded tomatoes into your preferred consistency. In a large pot, sauté some minced garlic and chopped onion in a few tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Add your chopped tomatoes, along with fresh basil and oregano. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for at least 45 minutes or up to 2 hours for a richer flavor. To finish your homemade sauce, season it with salt, pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. If you prefer a smoother texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass the sauce through a food mill. Allow the sauce to cool completely before storing it. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.